Hi, I just want to welcome you and take a few moments to introduce you to myself, your instructor, Colleen Radke, and I will be instructing your business math warm-up workshop. That's the first 3 weeks, and then right after that will be your business math class. And the blessing of this warm-up workshop is that it's going to give you the tools and the skills that you need to not only be successful in your upcoming business math class, but it's also going to give you some tools to be professionally successful and personally successful. So you're actually very lucky to be able to take a class like this that is going to provide you with some very important tools. Um, just kind of going through, as you can see from the top, you've got a welcome from myself in a little video. And then if you click on week 1, what it's going to do is it's going to walk you through some objectives. So for week 1, the objectives start down here with improper fractions and mixed numbers. What you're going to do is you're going to watch the 2 or 3 video links that are giving you some examples. I would take notes as they go through an example. Maybe title it Objective 1 and take your notes under there. Because you're going to be given a little objective quiz. And when you click on that quiz link, it'll take you to about 3 problems, just demonstrating that you understand the material or that you're still not understanding the material and you kind of need more practice, and that's okay. But again, taking those notes are really going to help you. It's going to give you an extra kind of edge when you do take that quiz. For week 1, there's about 6 objectives. And they deal mostly with fractions, which is something that students kind of get scared about or intimidated with. So this is a real gentle environment to be practicing fractions and how to compute fractions. One thing again that I would suggest is just set aside 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes an evening. This is not a mandatory class for you. You don't have to touch it. But can I give you some compelling evidence to encourage you to consider working in here? In our announcement section of the class, I posted a picture here, an announcement. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we can see it a little bit clearer. But this is a graph of students who were in the Algebra 140 class in July. And these are the students in blue who took the workshop. Every single student who took the workshop passed the class. Now look at the students who did not take the workshop. Maybe they're just too busy or a lot going on in the summer, right? But the highest grade of the student who did not take the workshop was 20%. So this is just a really compelling graph just to encourage you to spend maybe 10-20 minutes a night knocking out one objective. And I can guarantee you're going to be so proud of yourself and you're going to be so proud of the work that you're doing and what you're learning that when you hit the business math class in a few weeks, you're going to be cruising. All right. So as another incentive and as a thank you for taking the time to just watch this video, I want to give you one more extra credit point. So if you could just maybe respond to me and tell me your name and maybe what your favorite food is. Because I like to eat. I just really do. And just send me that and tell me your name and your favorite food. And I just want to wish you good luck and best wishes. And I'm here to work with you. So send me a message at any time. All right. Blessings to you. Bye-bye.